Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting devices talking. Make sure your laptop and Chromecast are on the same Wi-Fi network, then open Chrome so casting is available. Once done, check the Chromecast's name on your TV input and power state because misnamed devices confuse the process. Next, click the Chrome menu and pick Cast. You'll see devices listed. Choose the Chromecast that matches your TV. This immediate step starts the stream handshake, which is why network parity and browser readiness matter. You now decide what to send and how. From Chrome's Cast menu, pick whether to cast a single tab for minimal lag, your full desktop for multi-window apps, or a local file for best sync. Once chosen, click the device and watch the tab negotiate resolution and audio output. If playback stutters, switch to a 5 GHz network or reduce video quality in the source app to free bandwidth. Also make sure background uploads are paused so your stream gets priority. You wrap up by stopping the cast from Chrome's toolbar or closing the casted tab, which cleanly ends the session and releases resources. If the Chromecast doesn't appear, reboot the router and the Chromecast. That often clears IP conflicts. Power cycle the laptop only if needed. Make sure your laptop's sound output is set to the Chromecast device so audio follows video. If you still see problems, reconnect both devices to the same network and try casting a different tab to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.